DR sort 7. We have noun suffixes this time. If you remember in the last sort, we also had ER, but this time something different's happening at the end of the word. See if you can see what it is. You're going to take your words and you're simply going to do a pattern sort. So we go artist, and we put it under the ist. You want to spread it out a little bit, unless you trim them all. Guardian, creator, speaker. Speaker. Are you thinking about how is this word different than the ER comparatives we did last week? Vocalist, specialist, corrector, Asian, believer, admirer, survivor, prisoner, visitor, attacker, traveler, defender, civilian, inventor, decorator, historian, librarian, finalist, and Australian. Okay. What sorts of nouns do we have here? All these suffixes are actually changing the meaning of the base word. You could start with invent, but then you add that and it's not or. Sounds just like this one, doesn't it? So you're going to need to do some blind sorts to figure that out. Invent to inventor. A visit to a visitor. To survive or the survivor. The direct or director. To create. Oh, do you notice how the E got dropped there? And the same thing happened here in survive. Creator. Prisoner, attacker, traveler, defender, believer. What sort of words are these? Like big category. These are not comparing things. What are they doing? They're doers. I made that up. Doer. These are the doer words. They're all doing something, aren't they? And an agent would be another name for that. What about guardian, Asian, civilian, historian, librarian, Australian? You could say they're sort of doing something too, but IAN, you could say that they're from that area, especially here in the Australian and Asian. These are capital A's because these are the names of specific places. And then we have an artist, a vocalist, a specialist, and a finalist. These are all people, aren't they? Doing something. Someone who specializes in a certain field, someone who gets to the finals of a competition, somebody who sings vocals, someone who does art. So that's the difference between this sort and last sort, so that you're not comparing things here, you're just saying types of people when the suffixes are changing the meaning of the base word. When you go to write for day 1 for your sort record, please make sure you write down something that you learned in this sort, like how these make the same sound, or these are all doing suffixes. Thank you.